Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades. First you have to perform them into service position. Then, of course, to move the windscreen wiper to the service position, we switch off the ignition and remove the windscreen wiper lever briefly to the position in this service letter. To remove the windscreen wiper back to that, we are clamping it up. And then we push the button first, and then we slide the blade to the front direction. At the same time, it's really important that you hold the wiper arm into position, because it is a clamp mechanism there. If you do not hold it, it will smash into your glass. To get a new blade into position, you can see this has to be the same mechanism as we have removed it. We get it into position on the top side and slide it back into it. A little push on the button, it will unlock this thread, and then we can shake it a little bit and we get it down. So then we have changed the first wiper blade. We can now get to the other side and perform the same. We push the button and slide it up. For safety, maybe you have a sponge underneath. Then get the other into position, slide it back into the arm, let it lock, job's done. Now we can get back the wiper blades and the wiper arms into position on the screen.